Good morning, everybody. So you're going to be doing this is part two of the Tides Lab. This is what you need for part two of the Tides Lab. Here's what this thing is. This is a lot to look at. What I did up here was you've got all of the moon phases for August, September, and October of the year that I made this lab. This is a year or two ago. And then over here, what you've got is basically a graph of the high and low tides. Now, you guys on part one essentially plotted this for only like 3 days. Here it is going from August 16th all the way to October 14th. And the reason I want to do this one is that I want to compare what is the moon phase when the tides look kind of different. The big thing, like if you're going to listen to one thing from this video, the big thing to listen to right now is that what you're looking for is ranges. I'm interested in knowing where is, like over here is where we have very high tides going way down to very low tides. And if I were to like just roughly draw, don't draw this on yours. If I were to just like roughly draw a line on the outside of these, not really nailing it, but I think we'll get the premise. You're going to see that the range is going up and down. It's a larger range, then it gets smaller, then it gets larger, then it gets smaller, then it gets larger, right? Yes, some are larger than others, but that's okay. What I want to do is think about what moon phases must it be in when it goes down to a smaller, then what moon phase must it be when it's increasing, then what moon phase must it be when it's decreasing. Hint, hint, if you did your cheat sheets, it's all right there. That's all the stuff you need. Go back to cheat sheet video number 4 if you didn't get that. That's going to be crucial for getting this done. So what do you actually got to do? As of August 16th, so honestly, you don't even really need many of those. And then this thing only goes to October 14th, so you don't really need any of those. It's just the easiest bit to get on there. What I had you do on the lab was plot. Got a lot going here. Plot these. Plot the new moon, the quarters, the fulls, and well, the first new moon, first quarter, full moon, third quarter. So new, full, and the quarters, right? So you don't need to really worry about much until you get to, say, they make the new moon's kind of this green color on there for some reason. So maybe the 19th there, I'd say, is a quarter moon. So all you're going to do is draw. I'd use kind of a small pen. On the 19th here, there's the 18th, there's the 20th. We're going to draw a circle and just draw exactly that moon to say that it's a quarter. That's it. Then do the next one, new, then the next quarter, then full, then the next quarter, then new. So you're not going to be doing a million of these things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 should probably do it. Okay, so they'll be all across the top like that, and then we'll just see, again, it's going to match that diagram, during which phases does it get larger, the range get larger, during what phases does the range get smaller. The idea of high and low has to kind of leave our head a little bit. It's not just high. I don't want to know when there's just high tides. I want to know when the difference from high to low is the greatest or the least. That's what a range is. All right, you guys will nail it. Good luck. Thanks for tuning in.